Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Few days back Jio announced the launch of JioPhone 2 and finally our wait is over and we have with us today the newly launched JioPhone 2. So let's do the unboxing and find out more about this phone. We ordered this JioPhone 2 on a very first day of sale and just today only we received this package. And guys, we're going to do a giveaway of this phone. All you need to do is subscribe, like and comment below the reason what you like most about this phone. And if we get 2999 likes on this video before 31st of August, then we will pick one random comment and that person will get this phone. And we will announce the winner on Instagram, so don't forget to follow us there too. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the all new design JioPhone 2 with QWERTY keypad. And on the side we can see the model number F300B. And here it says designed in India for India. You can also watch live TV from this phone using a cable, which I doubt will be available very soon, as I'm still waiting to buy one for the JioPhone 1. Then at the back we have some more details such as available Jio services and its features. And here are the specification of the phone. And like the JioPhone 1, this phone is also powered by KaiOS. The retail price of the phone is Rs 2,999 and you will also have to pay Rs 99 for the shipping charges. Now let's open the box and see the content. So here we have the JioPhone 2 and my first impression is that the phone looks and feels like my old BlackBerry phone. It feels really light now and that is because there is no battery inside. Let's keep it aside and see what else we have here. We get the JioPhone guide and some warranty information. Then we get the charger which has a standard micro USB charging point. And here is the battery. The battery for the phone is 2000 mAh which is the same as the JioPhone 1. Now let's look at the phone closely. So first about the design and the build quality, the phone feels pretty solid and the QWERTY keypad also feels very good. Even though we have the QWERTY keypad, still the phone is compact in size and very easy to hold. On the top we have the earpiece along with the front facing VGA camera. The screen is a 2.4-inch QVGA and I hope that it's better than the JioPhone 1 where the viewing angles are not that good. And then at the bottom we have the charging port and on the top we have the 3.5mm headphone jack. At the back we get the 2-megapixel camera along with the speaker and the LED flashlight. And like the JioPhone 1, this phone also has the NFC tap and pay support. Now let's insert the battery in the phone. Inside it we can see that it's a dual SIM phone and we already have a Jio SIM inside in the same slot 1. There is also a micro SD card slot which this phone supports up to 128GB. Now let's turn on the phone for the first time. As we have mentioned earlier, this phone is powered by KaiOS, which is a web-based OS. So here we are on the home screen. The SIM is not activated yet and for that you would need to go to a nearest Jio store. Let me quickly take you through the menu. Here we have the pre-installed apps which includes Facebook, Jio TV and Google Assistant. The phone has 512MB RAM and comes with a 4GB internal storage, where approximately 2.5GB is already used. As of now there is no WhatsApp and YouTube available in Jio store, but I guess it will be available very soon for both JioPhone 1 and JioPhone 2. Talking about the camera, it's pretty basic and I don't have any expectations from it. The rear camera is okay for maybe social media uploads and the front VGA camera output is also very similar. The screen on this phone looks like a horizontal version of the JioPhone 1 and apart from minor improvements, the viewing angles are also not very good and you get this negative effect if you look at the screen from certain angles. Watching videos and live TV is fun on this phone and to be honest, I find the overall experience better than the previous version. Apart from that, you have the radio on this phone which doesn't require you to plug in the earphones. And then we get the Google Assistant in Hindi. And lastly, let's talk about the dual SIM. This time the phone has 2 SIM card slots, but you can only use Jio SIM in the primary SIM slot and in the other slot you can use any other carrier SIM card. But there is a catch that this will only allow you to use 2G connection on the secondary network. And one more thing, that in order to get the second SIM card work, there has to be a working Jio SIM inside the phone. Overall, I like the build quality, design and the QWERTY keypad of the phone. We think that this phone is suitable for first time phone users or for those who wants to upgrade from JioPhone 1 in the 500 rupees upgrade offer. There is no recharge foundation which we have seen in the JioPhone 1 and price wise, we think that the JioPhone 2 is slightly high priced and should be around 2000 rupees mark. Apart from that, if you're looking for a secondary phone to use with a Jio network, then we definitely recommend this phone. We will also be doing a comparison of the phone with JioPhone 1 and a detailed review very soon. And guys, don't forget to take part in the giveaway and all you need to do is subscribe, like and comment on this video And if we get 2,999 likes, which is the price of the phone, before 31st of August, then we will select one random comment and that person will get this phone. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.